Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be decorating our house for fall. I am super excited. I put it off because I was waiting for our dining room table to arrive. You guys know that we moved into a new house and we have been furnishing and doing renovations. It takes a long time, but I have been hanging out with you guys since the morning. We went to the stores together on Insta stories, so make sure that if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there for like behind the scenes and just like kind of like daily vlogging on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna have like my Instagram name right here, and then let's go ahead and start decorating. We still have like certain areas of the house that we're doing like renovations, and certain areas are not ready for me to start decorating it, but like our dining room table, I can start decorating that, and some areas in our kitchen. I don't have like the pillows for our couch. Our couch is here. Super excited to show you guys like the couch, and the rug is here, and we still have some artwork that we have to put up, but the areas that I can decorate, I'm gonna decorate with you guys. So stay tuned until the end of the video because it's gonna look amazing. I have like all these ideas in my head, and I just can't wait to start decorating. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Please join my channel, subscribe so you get notified when I post a new video. I have a ton of like home renovations and home decor videos, cleaning, and just all types of like motivational, just exciting content. So subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go ahead and start with this part of the kitchen. This is really like the only little nook area that I'm gonna be decorating. I won't be decorating over there or anything like that. I got a tier tray for this area because I wanted to be able to decorate this area for every season, not just for fall. And a tier tray is fun because you can actually do that. You can buy all these like little things that you see at the store that you want to buy but you don't have a place to put them. You can put them in the tier tray, and it looks really cute. Some people use this for like cupcakes, and you can also use it for like fruits and vegetables and things like that, but I'm gonna be using it today for decorating, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look. I bought all of these little things from Hobby Lobby as well. Everything was 40% off. Everything for fall 40% off, but the tier tray was 50% off. It's supposed to have a black bottom. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what it actually looks like because I took that part off, and right now it looks kind of off because we have the cabinets haven't been painted yet, but you guys know that we renovated the entire kitchen and we put in our beautiful new stone countertops. These are the quartz countertops, and a new sink that I'm in love with, our new faucet that I love, but we still have to paint our cabinets and change out the hardware. So once we do that, all the wood elements are gonna be beautiful. Like I have this like wooden bowl right here that I love. So I want everything in wood, but it just looks weird. Now once the cabinets are painted white, everything would make more sense, but let's go ahead and start decorating. I bought this little salt and pepper shaker. You guys, how cute are these? These are supposed to go like right on top of each other, and they're really cute. Some greenery. When you're buying your greenery, make sure that you're buying them at a discount. I feel like a lot of their greenery are like very expensive. This one was $1.99. This like little, it's a bigger stem, but I saw one that was just like this and it was $4.99, so like $5. Some pumpkins. This one was like a rustic looking pumpkin and it was only like $2.99 plus 40% off. These were $1.99. This little light up house is supposed to light up, so it's gonna be really cute. But the one that I'm most excited about is this little guy. His little legs are gonna hang from there, so it's gonna be really pretty. Plus he also lights up, so I can't wait to play with this thankful and blessed picture. Really cute. $4.99 plus 40% off. This tray is gonna be really fun to decorate for Christmas as well, and even for summer. Like I feel like it's gonna be fun to decorate every season. So when decorating the tier tray, I like to think about like maybe like kind of like balanced. So if I want to put like a leaf like right here, then I would just put one maybe like down here, and kind of makes it feel a little bit balanced. Like smaller items, for example, could go up here, and like bigger items like this, we can put them in the back as fillers, so they can fill in like space. And then since I have like that white back there, then I feel like I can do like white here, and it's just kind of like balanced that out. So we'll just continue to go like that and see what we come up with.
In the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in. By you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. Waiting for you, I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around.
So the next area that I'm decorating is our island, and I have these two little stools that we bought here, and they're on the glam side. I have a lot of gold going on in our kitchen. You guys can see like our pendant lights are gold, and our faucet is gold and everything. But I'm bringing a lot of rustic elements into our kitchen to tone down all the gold and all the like glam elements, because you guys know I'm very into like the rustic these days. So I bought this, was $19.99 from Hobby Lobby, and it's a really good size. It's very rustic looking, very beautiful, and I'm thinking about putting pumpkins in there, maybe some greenery to bring that sort of like natural element into the kitchen. I'm also putting these wreaths in the back of the stools like that, and that should be it. The greenery that I'm using is the same greenery that I used. That was $1.99. The wreaths were $5.99 plus 40% off. The pumpkins were $2.99 plus 40% off, and the biggest one was $6.99 plus 40% off. So we're gonna start placing them. The only thing is I don't want the pumpkins to not be seen from far away, so we might have to put something down here to like elevate the pumpkin a little bit. Let's see if I need to, or if we can just get away with the greenery and that's it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? change colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I do without you.
And here's the final result, you guys. I love it so much. It's just very simple and kind of like earthy looking, just natural. Just some pumpkins, 3 pumpkins, some greenery, and some wood elements, and that's it. That's what I was looking for. I also loved how this little wreaths look on the stools, and that's it. We'll move on to our dining room table.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
Save the best for last, and it's our dining room area, you guys. Our dining room table is in we still have to put a new plate, like a white plate right here. We took that one off because it wasn't wide enough, so don't pay attention to that. The house is still a work in progress, like I said, but we got our dining room table in from Wayfair and we love it so much. It is so rustic. It's exactly what we wanted. Look at all the detail, all the distressing, and it's just very rustic looking. Look how beautiful the legs are. It's so heavy, you guys. I can't even pick up the shirt with one hand. The legs are just beautiful. And let's not even talk about the rug, you guys, because I am obsessed with all of my rugs. They're all from my Texas house, and I love every single rug in her collection. I want to have all of them. I probably have like already like 4 or 5. No, I have like 6 rugs from her collection. So yeah, I'm a fan. We changed all of the bulbs to white. We changed the chandelier. I still want to do like a gallery wall right here, and that's coming later. We can sit 8 people here, you guys, and that was a big deal for us. That was something that we wanted. I feel like this is gonna be like the most fun to decorate every season, and especially for Christmas and stuff and for the holidays. I feel like this is gonna be my biggest, like most, I don't know, wanting to decorate area. For decorating the dining room table, I want to do something really big and just like a big statement. So I bought this garland from Hobby Lobby, $34.99 plus 50% off. And also I bought this chiffon cloth material to put as like my table runner. It's very long. It's gonna be way longer than the table, but I think it's gonna make it look a lot more elegant. And just a bunch of pumpkins and candles. I want to make it an experience for my family, not just like a little, you know, pumpkin or like some like minimal decor. No, we're gonna go all out and we're gonna make this area just stand out and make it an experience for my family for Thanksgiving.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got the
I'm spreading out the garland, and as for the chiffon material table runner that I have going on, you guys will see me like trying to like wrinkle it, and I am trying to get it to have like folds and creases in it, I don't want it to look perfectly straight on the table, just to give the table a more relaxed and rustic feel.
I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings.
You can leave the garland as is and it will still look beautiful, but I wanted to add dimension and just a different tone of greenery into the garland. So I'm just gonna be adding a few picks of like a blue, kind of like bluish tone eucalyptus to it, and then I'm also gonna be adding a few just like orangey leaves to just add some interest into the existing garland.
She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never.
I'm keeping the pumpkins neutral and I'm adding these beautiful candlesticks that I got at Kirkland's today. I'm so in love with them. They're black, exactly what I wanted. But I'm also going to be adding more candles at different heights just for even more interest to the table. And I'm also adding these cute little pumpkins that are going to be like hiding in the greenery just for even more interest to the entire garland and the entire decor.
She'll never know, never know. She'll never know.
Whenever I'm up to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining.
Thank you so much for watching. I loved how everything came out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys liked it too. I hope this video gives you some motivation and some ideas on your tablescape for Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding.